This is Eric with E3, south of Nashville in the Forest Hills neighborhood. I'm underneath a home that's being sold for over $5 million. And unfortunately, this is what it looks like underneath. From this vantage point, we're looking at about 5 or 6 different things. This duct line is full of water and debris from upstairs. We have some old exhaust lines from bathrooms that are dumping into the crawlspace. This duct line right here is full of grout from what probably was a remodeling project upstairs. We have some elements of the subfloor that have microbial growth and are uninsulated. Then we have others with old fiberglass yellow insulation that's serving more as a sponge and providing very little value. We have debris on the ground. We have exposed dirt, trash, a return duct line that needs to be sealed. We have a tub with a large hole underneath that allows mice and insects to travel directly up into the house. We have a dehumidifier that has never been serviced and is running but actually not providing any condensate, so that's a complete waste. Again, overall, crawl space is lacking in many respects, and the crawl space is the footprint of the house and therefore heavily influences the overall performance and indoor air quality of the home.